Miguel.
Rico.
July 24, 1990.
August 5, 1981.
Leo.
Leo.
Sabi nila, ang mga Leos raw, they have one biggest strength and the same biggest weakness. Pride. Actually, I can attest to that. Dahil grade school pa lang, high school, college, and even now that I'm working, pride palagi ang pinapailan ko. If I don't get something I think I deserve, pride ang nasasaktan. In a relationship, pag ako ang iniiwan, pride ang nasasaktan. Kaya ang feeling ko, Leo na Leo ako eh.
Paano ko naging Leo at takot nga ako sa Leon? Yung nakikita ko si Aslan, sinaway niya sa sinyan, kinikilabutan ako. Ikaw pa naman nakakita na nung malaking pusang nagsasalita pa. Tapos, kung napapanigilipan ko ang Leo, lagi ako nilalamon, lagi ako nilalapa. Paano ako naging Leo? Siguro Leo ako dahil pag umuwi ako sa bahay galing opisina, hinahabol ako ng mga askal, tingin sa akin malaking pusa. O siguro Leo ako dahil pag kumakanta ako, para akong pusang umagawa. Ayon sa astrology, ang mga Leos daw were made for positions of management. Kailangan, Leos are in power at sila ang dapat in authority.
Kaya nga mga Leos, if they get anything less, ang sakit sa pride. Case in point, tingin nyo sa Rico.
Miguel, congratulations nga pala sa iyong recent promotion bilang editor-in-chief. I really believe that you deserve it. Isinapuso mo lahat ng training na binigay ko para sa iyo. Congrats! Really good! Oh, ito nga pala yung article na sinubmit mo kahapon. Inayos ko na yan, may konting grammar at spelling mistakes, but I corrected all of them now for you.
Rico, di ba 2 days ago you were at our meeting naman? Physically at least. Because remember, we talked about having stars, mga between astrology and horoscope for our next month's topic. And the article turned in, napakaganda ng pagkakasulat. It actually makes sense for a change. But alas, it's a piece about Gretchen Barreto. Iba mga between ang iisip mo ng mga panahon na yun. You know, sometimes it pays to be a listener and to follow orders. And fortunately, as editor-in-chief, I can make it up for you. Hindi ka nakasama for our next month's issue.
Ayon sa mga between, kung gusto mo makabayad sa mga Leo, kailangan huwag mo silang bibigyan ng backhanded compliments. Flattery will get you nowhere with them. Kung gusto mo na silang maka-vibes, kailangan straightforward ang iyong comments. Kailangan frank, honest, sincere. Ika nga, what you see is what you get. Ayon sa mga between.
At ayon sa mga between, sabi nga mga Leos, what you see is what you get. Pero alam niyo ba ng mga Leos, they have this flair for drama. Halimbawa sa opisina, mayroong political intrigue or political tension. Imbes na lumayo ang mga Leo paalis, lapit pa sila ng lapit.
Tingnan mo itong na-research ko sa animalplanet.com, Miguel. Ayon dito, there can only be one head lion in a pride. At tapos, kung gusto mong i-challenge yung position niya, you either have to kill him or to wound him fatally. Kaya mo kaya yun?
Di ko ito naman yung na-research ko sa nationalgeographic.com. Actually, it's a more credible source. Sabi dito, ang head lion raw, he doesn't actually hunt for himself. Marami siyang mga utusan, ang mga lioness ng pride. At sabi nga dito, 60% of what they hunt, ang head lion ang kumakain. Ang 40% at tira-tira, binibigyan lang sa mga cubs at sa mga lioness.
Kung ako, naging tunay na leon, etong gagawin ko sa Miguel Dumawal na yan! When a lion stalks its prey, it comes close, camouflaged. It is patient, waiting for the perfect opportunity to pounce! Then, he rips open the belly with his powerful claw! And he eats the heart, the liver, and the kidney! Then he eats the rest of the meat, including the hide and the head! And from the back part, finishes all the way up until he's satisfied. Miguel, ayon sa AnimalPlanet.com, among the big cat families, lions lang daw merong social skills. Galing, no? Tapos, sila lang daw ang may kaya ng mga complex communication language systems. Ibig sabihin, may distinct meaning ang isang ferocious growl sa isang triumphant roar sa isang soft, silent, and inviting purr.
Pero alam niyo ba na ang mga Leos, they actually value warmth, harmony, and friendship. Ayon sa mga big three. You know, it's a pretty sa opisina. Wala nung dito.
O yan, ahead of the deadline like you asked.
Ano to?
Basahin mo.
Ano to?
Basahin
You
mo.
edited my article? I'm your editor-in-chief, you're just my staff.
Alam mo kasi, Miguel, kung hindi position lang ang iniisip ko, kung quality at excellence ang iniisip ko, edi sana hindi mediocre ang kiniturnin mo trabaho, di ba?
Kapal na mukha mo, ha? You have no right to tell me that. You're just my staff. Oh, dear. Now you go back to that little cubicle of yours and sit the fuck down. You get this? I'm your fucking boss! Oh!
Miguel, pwede mag-usap. Man to man. Wala ba akong natulong sa'yo sa tinanggal mo sa opisina ito? Naalala mo nung nagsimula ka parang kang ligaw na kutin. Tinulungan kita, di ba? Naalala mo yun? Lahat ng creative ideas ko, prinended ko sa'yo. I taught you everything I knew about editing, about publishing, all my trade secrets. What's more, I gave you connections with the upper management. Man, you know I wanted that position for so long. You thought you were my friend.
You think I ever wanted to take anything away from you? Of all the people in this company, more than I do, you deserve that position. Pero it was always supposed to be yours. Pero the fact is, ako ang in-appoint editor-in-chief. And you have to live with that. But truthfully, I don't know shit about how to run this company. Hindi ko alam kung paano ito patatakbuhin. And to be honest, I still need you around. I still need you to be my friend.
Okay, sige, ganito. Kung gusto mo, lahat ng write-ups ng staff sa akin muna, bring them up to our standards para pagdating sa'yo, almost ready for printing, para gumana trabaho mo. Okay?
Yeah, I'd appreciate that.
Okay.
Alam mo, may meeting ako sa Makati later. I'd appreciate it if you could come. Kailangan ko ng secretary.
Did I hear you right? Did you just refer to me as your secretary?
Yeah, mukha ka naman secretary eh.
Oy, pagpapala mukha mo ha. At siguro, si secretary mo yung upper management kaya.
Ano, sama ka?
Sige, ano oras ba yan? Bigyan ko lang assignment yung staff writers para may ginagawa sila kung wala na.
Hindi kita. Hindi kita.
Mami.